Introducing the 2026 Valley Ridge 27 BHU, a beautifully appointed luxury travel trailer that blends refined craftsmanship, elevated comfort, and a thoughtfully designed layout for a truly memorable experience on the road. As you step inside, the interior immediately feels bright and inviting. The kitchen is positioned to the left, while the convertible U-shaped dinette and couch sit to the right, with the bunk beds and bathroom tucked neatly in the back. Expansive windows fill the space with natural light, while light wood tones, marble textures, and upgraded finishes create a warm, sophisticated atmosphere. Moving closer, the U-shaped dinette stands out as a stylish and comfortable place to gather, dine, or unwind. Backing up, the couch with theater seating adds another layer of comfort, creating a relaxing lounge space that feels polished, practical, and perfectly suited for quiet evenings indoors. The kitchen continues that upscale impression with marble textured countertops, black fixtures, and matching black appliances. With generous storage, a large sink, oven, 4-burner stovetop, microwave, full-sized fridge and freezer, and a fireplace adding warmth to the living area, this space feels both beautifully designed and exceptionally functional. Moving into the bedroom, the atmosphere becomes even more restful. Hanging storage, bedside tables, reading lamps, and abundant natural light all come together to create a space that feels calm, comfortable, and thoughtfully finished. Turning towards the back of the RV, the bunk area is equally well designed, with a large window beside the bunks bringing in natural light and black metal finishes adding a clean, contemporary edge. The bathroom offers both style and convenience, complete with its own exterior door, black metal fixtures, and a fully tiled shower that gives the entire space a polished, high-end finish. Ready to experience the 2026 Valley Ridge 27 BHU for yourself? Shop or apply online today at campmart.ca or visit CampMart in person and explore this exceptional RV up close.